Alicia Paris at Bella Naturals. My beautiful daughter is recording, and today is Bella's birthday, and I wanted to do this beautiful decoration for her, and it is a success. I'm so happy and she's happy, so I just wanted to hop on in here to make sure I'm documenting me as well, even if I look like a hot mess.
You look so cute.
I just wanted to be in here for memories. Bella's day. Happy birthday. Oh, there is Bella. Oh, Bella, I'm so happy that you did that. You in here. Happy birthday, Bella. I love you.
Love you too.
You can purchase your own electric balloon pump. Most balloon set comes with the gallon strip to create your design. A great tip is to blow up many different sizes of balloons so you can then sit comfortably to add them to the strip. The larger balloons like this, you can pay to get them done with an helium machine. This is an example of when I got mine done for my birthday party decor, which you will see as well in an upcoming video, so keep tuned. And remember to turn on your notification bell so you will know when a new video is uploaded to our channel. The balloons with the confetti usually has a rubber band around the mouth of the balloon. This helps to keep the confetti inside while it's being pumped. As you add balloons to the strip, you may want to add 2 balloons to one hole on the strip so your gallon will look more filled instead of having lots of gaps in between. See, they are nicely filled. Cut a good length of balloon strings off the roll to tie the gallon to the cut-in rod.
So from the bottom, you take this, pull it, run it behind, then put it in this hole. You pull first, then you do over here too. So you could have some type of a security. So I'm using this. Put it in between here. Ooh, what you stepping on? You're sliding it through. Bring it down. And you want to tie it. See?
And there we have it. So pretty much you just want to use the light strings to tie the bigger balloons. So that's the idea that I came up with. Then you do the same for the other signs that you have. Like this one says almost a teenager, and then run it across, and voila, you got that similar beautiful look without things looking tacky, right? This idea of hanging the festive decor on the twinkle light strings was born when I decorated for Bella's middle school graduation. I'll pin that video in our notes down below or at the end of this video. And I was inspired by the Amazon photo of the balloon gallon where I purchased the balloon set. I think I nailed it pretty well, right? So beautiful.
Hi, Bella.
Hi.
You just woke up.
Yeah.
What day is it today?
Normal Thursday.
What is all this decoration about?
Me.
And today is?
My birthday.
How old are you?
12.
Are you excited to be 12?
Yes.
Aww, You're enjoying your decor.
I really love this layout.
You do. Look at you, a reflection in the mirror. Bella, you're getting so tall. You're almost my height. By the end of the year, you will be my height.
I can't wait.
I know you can't wait. Look at all this beautiful decoration. I really want.
Oh my God, I'm officially 12 now. But when you really think about it, am I 12? Because 1 and 2 can swap a root and turn into 21. So technically, I'm 21.
I also purchased a large folding table for her party, and this AC we needed anyways, which will help to keep our guests comfortable as well if they choose to sit inside. One of our neighbors had a stack of chairs at their backyard, which I saw took on the cold to warm weather every season. I thought that they could be of good use for the party. I decided to ask. They said yes, and that we could keep them. So we are grateful for this blessing. Thank you. Everything is all nice and clean. We were also fortunate to use the large garbage bin from the neighbor that gave us the chairs, and another neighbor that lives on the block from the island where we grew up in the Caribbean allowed us to use her tables and icebox. Grateful, thank you so much. I didn't use the table I bought from Amazon, but I saved it for my birthday party. To purchase your beautiful cake, you can pre-order at Whole Foods Market or just go to the store and pick one of your choice. So usually we purchase our cake from Whole Foods Market and the flowers from Trader Joe's. I wish that I had extra hands to help with the floral arrangements on the day of the party to go with the ones that we got from the neighbor who loaned us the tables. But we were pressed for time. The flowers looks lovely. We are grateful and the party is ready to start. God came through with help from our guests. Thank you all so much for picking up the slacks.
Oh, you guys good now?
You want me to bring out the juice now?
Yes, so we're gonna put the juice over on grateful. Ungrateful sign. Yeah, it's so funny how Bella, Layla, and Elise has the same like close date for birthdays.
My birthday's on August 3rd.
Yeah, and they are friends. You see how the universe does bring people together? Yes. Oh, I'm gonna do Bella's happy birthday. I'm gonna tell you guys, maybe at good, right?
You have to get cool. I try to get cool. What is candies? What kind of candies are these, Keisha?
These are all
These.
not. These are from Trader
Oh
Joe's.
my
It's
God.
good, right?
Oh my
It's like guava cheese. My mom used to make it.
Keisha.
Good stuff.
From Trader Joe.
Yeah. So we got,
it for you.
yeah.
Can you flip it for you?
Yeah, so then I can see what is in it. So we got the macaroni pie
From Leslie as well.
This is Leslie's long
Vegetable long
line.
line.
Yeah.
Oh, delicious barbecue chicken.
Barbecue chicken,
Veggie macaroni and
veggie
cheese.
macaroni and
A
cheese.
little nice wing for the
Yeah.
Keisha. Pepperoni and cheese.
Oh,
Prepare
yeah.
the pizza.
Pizza for the kids.
Delicious rice and peas.
Uh-huh.
And then we have some stewed chicken.
Yes.
What a party. Food party.
The rest of the food and decor was done by me, but like I said, I didn't have enough time to add the other flowers. However, after the fact, I saw that I should have put them in that large plant pot by the neighbor's door across from ours. I wanted to add some more balloons in the front here. Some of the balloons pop on that side of the wall. I also wanted to add some on this side of the wall, and that's the big plant pot I was thinking to add the flowers in. I'm sorry I didn't make you guys cupcake. I really wanted to do everything, but you know, yeah. Oh, let me show them. You guys need to taste. This is my favorite drink from Trader Joe's, and this is Bella's favorite drink, and this here is new wines that I'm trying courtesy of Leslie. Leslie and I went to the wine shop. I know I was supposed to censor this, but I'm like, you know what, it's all right. We were trying to keep it PG-13. Got the candle here. Okay, Bella is gonna make a wish because the candle is gonna blow up. Bella, blow it out. No, yes, no, because of the wind blowing it out. We're gonna do that first. There we go. Yay! Yay!
Are you one?
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Are you six? Are you seven? Are you eight? Are you nine? Are you 10? Are you 11? Are you 12? Hooray!
Oh yeah, great time to say that. Now you're gonna cut cake.
Happy birthday!
Okay, so we're serving cake. Okay. We just wanted to happy birthday to you. Thank you. Okay. Hi, Belly. Ooh, hi. It's
That's my favorite song. That I ain't ducking it. Come on, Leslie. Gotta show what we know to do. DJ, come on, DJ. Come on, DJ. The DJ needs to be fired.
I forgot to do a video of the party bags. Everybody loved the juice. Hi guys! Happy birthday! I want to say happy birthday. Aw, thank you, Auntie Pat.
Bella's birthday. Good to see you. Hi, Bella.
Hi.
I'm doing a video.
Thank you, Denisa, for coming to Bella's 12th birthday party. We love you. We appreciate you. Hey, guys. Hi, Noah. Thank you for coming to Bella's 12th birthday party. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Don't stand like a statuette. Do something fun.
Ring around the rosy. No, it's okay. Ring around the rosy.
We done. That was it. That's the end.
Then this first and then.
Go for it.
All right, 5, 6,
Go,
7,
go.
8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It doesn't matter.
Aw, happy birthday, Bella. Thank you so much, Willow, for coming to Bella's 12th birthday party. We love you guys so much, and we appreciate the love. Thank you, Natalie and Layla, for coming. We appreciate you. Yes, my next door neighbor and Bella having a good time. She was the videographer for us. Thank you for coming to our Bella's 12th birthday party 2023. We created memories and love. Hey! Hi, Boo Boo. You are so cute. You are so good. Thank you for coming to Bella's birthday party. Thank you. The next day or two, I made cupcakes. I couldn't help it. It was part of the plan, so I didn't felt that my work was completed if I didn't make it happen. Thank you to all of our guests who came to Bella's birthday party and celebrated with us. We are so grateful for you. And to the ones as well that didn't attend but still was thoughtful to give a gift, you were there with us in the spirit. We are so grateful. And thank you for watching. We are grateful for you as well. And thank you to our old and new subscribers. We made it to 500. We couldn't do this without you. We are so grateful to you. Bye. See you on our next upload.